Protege, sina Mentor Roderick and Mentor Julina, Andres, and Brian.
Pinractice namin yung mga katawan namin na kumiling.
Stretch na mabuti para mag-loosen up yung muscles na.
Kasi kung sasayaw ka agad, tight yan. Kasi ano ka dito ng upper mo. Opo. Di ba?
Masakit nga po pag
ito,
sobrang ano eh. Opo.
ito di ba?
Yung paghahanda namin parang naging madali kasi mas close kaming dalawa compared sa ibang boys.
Kaya hindi na talaga may alis na sexy talaga si Brian kaysa sa akin. Basta ang sa akin lang, basta magawa namin ng maayos na magkasama.
Painitin namin yung Protege Nation tonight.
Ayan.
Temperature's rising, thermometer's getting low, according to all the sources. The streets the place to go. That tonight was the first time, just about passing. For the first time in history, it's gonna start raining. It's raining.
May kasama exhibition yun.
Maraming naiingit sa atin ngayon. Yung mga kaibigan ko, alam ko na kung sino yung mga naiingit sa akin.
A real bonus for us ladies, don't you think, ladies?
Dalawa po kayong binigyan ng bulaklak, pero Mama Net, kayo po ano masasabi nyo?
Sobrang...
Speechless.
Actually, very, very entertaining yung number nila. Parang you never know what to expect next. Nakakagulat yung mga ginawa nila. And I'm sure napakadaming natuwa sa performance niyo tonight. Both of you did very well. Akala mo na yung isa umaangat dahil ang ganda ng ginagawa niya tapos biglang gugulaitan ka nung isa. May surprise rin pala siya. So, very good performance.
Since babae na rin lang ako, pwede ba mag-comment? Pwede yung dumagdag? You know, I am very, very pleased with this particular episode.
This episode, di ba?
Wala nga silang kama, pero you'll never know what happens, ha? After this. But I say, I think this concept tonight is very cohesive and very clear as to who I think will be our next stars. And all of them across the board have really proven their mettle. It's going to be now harder and harder to decide. You all have grown so much. The mentors have been amazingly devoted to you guys, and we can see how much you've grown. And keep working out. Yeah. Keep it up, boys.
Thank you sa ating lady judges. Kaya ngayon, isave nyo sina Andres at Brian. Text your Protege space, name of Protege, and send to 2344 or 367.